I hope my CPU is not going to cry because I have switched from my Apple laptop to my desktop. Yeah, so let me go to the share. All right, so if you have any question, you just keep them down. At some point I will stop and then ask for questions. Yeah, so let us head over to some Pinterest and then we'll get like 3 pictures that we'll be using for our illustration. I believe that we have followed up with the HTML and then we're able to grasp the concept of HTML, and we can write something that can appear in a browser as a website. So at this point, everyone should be able to write something that can appear in a browser and that can be considered as a website. So we'll get some pictures of, let's say, coding. All right, but then I want to ask, can you see my screen? Can you all see my screen? Is there anyone who cannot see my screen? Let me know. Can you all see my screen? Oh, I'm not sharing my screen at all. All right, can you all see my screen? Can you all see my screen? Okay, someone said yes. All right, Tampin Francis, you are also welcome. All right. Okay. Oh, okay, the answers are in the messages, eh? Oh, I didn't check them. Someone is saying, can I mute my mic, or it is giving feedback? Okay. All right. Abdul said he can hear me, and then wow, Answer is saying he cannot hear anything. Can someone help him out? And okay, all right, okay, all right. Then let us carry on. Let us move on. I'll do my best and then increase my voice so that you can all hear me, so that I can be very audible. All right. Okay, so let's carry on. Yeah, we just want some pictures of coding because we are going to use the pictures for our illustration and then practice session. I'll use it to illustrate the concept we are to learn today. Download image. Okay. Download image. Downloaded, I think. Then okay, I think this one here. All right, this is okay. Yes. Then this tool will be nice. This one to also be nice. Wow. Honestly, I want to take my time to teach you, but then I'm seeing that the things are many. I might have to. I might postpone 1 or 2 or 3, because if I have to box everything into one for you today, some of you be like, oh nah, it is over the bar, it's too much, eh? So I'll do my best and then not go too yeah. So I will keep it at least okay. I want those landscape type of pictures, the pictures that are landscape. All right, tonight I'll be setting up my desktop and then to configure it with TikTok live, because I will start doing live very consistently very soon. Start going live so that when I'm setting up, there'll be someone to figure out whether sound and everything is clear. Yeah, So in case we are done with today's class and then you are still active, just pass by to assist me. Yeah. And also, if possible, I'll do graphic design tutorial to at least test everything and see if things are fine or not. Yeah. Okay. And once again, I want to say very big ups to you all, kudos to you all for your consistency. I see that a lot of you guys are just being silent, quiet, but you are very consistent. Looks like the morale, the momentum, and the zeal is just inside you. The desire is just there, and I love it like that. When I meet people like this, people who are just eager, they have the desire to do something, man, it puts me on fire. Yeah.